Silver stacking for beginners is a simple yet rewarding hobby. It involves collecting and investing in silver bullion coins, bars, and rounds. The goal is to build up a stack of silver that can be used as a store of value or a hedge against inflation. One of the first things beginners should consider is where to buy silver. There are many reputable online dealers that offer a wide variety of silver products at competitive prices. It's important to do your research and compare prices before making a purchase. Once you have acquired your silver, it's important to store it properly. Silver should be kept in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Many stackers use airtight containers or coin capsules to protect their silver from tarnishing. As you continue to stack silver, you may want to consider diversifying your collection. This can include adding different types of silver products, such as vintage coins or limited edition rounds. Diversifying your stack can help reduce risk and increase the potential for profit. Overall, silver stacking is a fun and rewarding hobby that can also serve as a form of financial security. By following these tips and staying informed about the silver market, beginners can build a successful stack of silver over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel.